This video is about ready-made kitchen cabinet prices here in the Philippines. I'm here right now looking at this ready-made cabinet prices for the kitchen mostly that you can install in your house immediately without destroying your kitchen renovations and all that, because some cannot cope up with all the building works. So these are the prices that I will be sharing with you, which you can also use for either your kitchen, and these are the cheap ones, budget kitchen prices, budget kitchen cabinet prices. Now you're looking at here is like 1.5 meter width, but you can see that there's glass on the side, and then you have 3 drawers, 3 cabinet shelvings on here, so for your cutleries and stuff like that. And then you can have your plates and stuff, and that is 21,795, and it's a ready-made kitchen cabinet for your home. Now here are the other types. This is the wood type drawer and shelving kitchen cabinet, ready-made wood. There, 17,595. So it has 3 drawers. This is okay for our OFW brothers and sisters that they want to improve their house, and by just putting furnitures that they can use in their kitchen immediately to make it more prettier or more economically done decorations. Here you also have this, like a pantry kind of door, but it's a kitchen cabinet as well with 3 doors. 8,795 for your pantry type of kitchen cabinet. See the tall side on the side, 8,795. Now you have here kitchen with a little worktop with display with 2 drawers for your cutleries, and then a little worktop there for your pots and crockery. 7,195. You can have 2 or 3 put together and create that kind of look for your kitchen instantly. There you have that in different color as well. Kitchen cabinet, 7,195. Both are the same design. 2 drawers, 2 cabinets. This one is differently designed, same make. 3 display cabinet on the top, 4 cabinets, worktop drawers. And here you can see that this is like little pantry that you can work on, and this one is 10,095 pesos. So my OFW brothers and sisters, this is if your houses, you don't want to be spending much on house renovations or paying builders to rebuild your house, this is one option that you can take for your kitchen renovations. And another few here, this new, see this, with a pantry, worktop, drawers, 3 drawers, 2 cabinets, and then here you got one in the top for your pantries. Kitchen cabinet at only 13,895. Instant cabinets. They're well built, then just put it up with plastic, shelvings. This one is a different design. Small. And this is 12,000 pesos. There you got also instant cabinet for your sink. You already got there. So just make sure you got the drainage connected to this one. This is an instant sink drawer, 6,295. You also got individual sink there. Just the sink, a single one. This is the double sink at 6,295. This is the single sink up there at 3,795, and you got one trolley drawer here at 1,795, but you got the open one and also got the closed one. So these are the cheap option for your kitchen needs. You have it here, like this one, cabinet that you can put around your kitchen worktop on top, alum rack, 3,595. That one is 2,595 because it's only one drawer on the top, bottom. So here you go. This is the pricing of budget price kitchen, ready-made kitchen cabinets here in Old Home Furnitures. So before I forget, I want to feature you this one. This is the dish storage for your dishes, made of aluminum. It's got 3 tiers to put your crockeries, your plates, and then whatever glasses that you will have here. It's made of aluminum. It's an instant cabinet at 6,295. So this is part of the budget price ready-made kitchen cabinet prices here in All Home Furniture, Talisay City, Cebu. Continuing on to the kitchen cabinet feature, there's still got a lot more designs that they keep on this corner. I went to another floor and they have this cabinet with tiled top. These are still kitchen cabinets with 3 drawers and 3 shelvings. So it's have a tiled top, and this price is 15,295. You got here a single one. It's a different design again. 6,495. Got 2 drawers for your cutlery, a little worktop, and this is another kitchen cabinet. Here, all wood design, 15,695. You can find it here in their furniture place display here on top. These are still on the cheap budget price ready-made kitchen cabinets. You still have it here, the buffet one, 3-door one. This is 5,695. So you have to choose your color scheme, and then you can buy these individual cabinets that's already ready-made for your kitchen. This is in buffet again, 5,695. Here, another buffet cab, 5,695. This one, 13,795. So this is like a cabinet display, different design, but you know, instant kitchen cabinet. So that one there, like a beach type effect, 11,595. So that's it. These are all the kitchen cabinets, ready-made kitchen cabinets budget price here in All Star Furnitures.